Hello everyone, today we are making simple and healthy ginger fried rice. Ginger is naturally warming and great for soothing the stomach. So this fried rice is not only delicious but also comforting from the inside out. However, I know some people don't really enjoy ginger much because the flavor can be strong and a little bit spicy. But in this recipe, the ginger tastes completely different. Let me show you how I make it. Here I have 3 cups of cold leftover rice. This always gives fried rice a better texture and make this recipe much easier for beginners. And now let's move on to the star of today's recipe, the ginger. I have 50 grams of fresh ginger, cut them into small pieces and blended them into a food processor. Sometimes ginger can be very hard to mince with a knife, so using a food processor makes it much easier. For the shallots, I'm using 100 grams of shallots. Start by cutting the shallot in half, and then place the flat side down on a cutting board. Slice them into thin pieces, and then finally chop them into small pieces. And the last aromatic we need is 2 green onions. Cut them into small pieces and separate the white and green parts, because we'll use them at different times. And finally, crack 5 or 6 eggs into a bowl and season them with a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Give the eggs a quick stir to mix everything together. With everything is prepared, we can start cooking. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the wok. And once the oil is hot, add the ginger first, because the ginger takes longer to cook. And also make sure keep the heat on low to medium. Let the ginger cook slowly for a couple of minutes and then add the shallots. Continue cooking till the shallots start to soften. Then we add the white part of the green onions and sauté for a few more minutes. Then we season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and cook till everything turns golden and the moisture has cooked off. When the mixture looks dry and golden, take it out and set aside. Now let's cook the eggs. Add some oil to the wok, and then pour in about half the egg mixture, because we'll use the rest of the eggs later. Then we gently scramble them into soft pieces. Finally, let's start cooking the rice. Add some more oil to the wok, then add the cold rice. Let the rice heat through and separate it out evenly in the wok. Once the rice is hot, pour the remaining egg mixture directly over the top. This gives you 2 kinds of egg flavor. Some eggs stay separate while the rest lightly coat the rice. So every bite has a good combination of egg flavor and rice texture. When the eggs are cooked and the rice looks fluffy, add the ginger mixture back in and mix everything together. Then season with half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon sugar, some white pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And keep stirring till everything is well combined. After seasoning, add the eggs back in and mix everything well. And then add the green part of the green onions and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it a final stir. And that's it. Our ginger fried rice is ready. This ginger fried rice is warm, fragrant, healthy, and especially nice to enjoy in the winter time. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy home cooking recipes. I'll see you in the next one.